Awakening from the veil of forgetfulness and rediscovering your soul's path. You see, in this life, you often find yourself trading in your reality for a role. It's a subtle but profound shift that begins from the moment you take your first breath in this world. From that instant, society gently but persistently molds you into a predefined mold, shaping your perceptions, beliefs, and values. It's a world where conformity is celebrated, and assimilation into the established norms is the expected path. As you assimilate into this reality, the memories of your true essence and the mission of your soul become shrouded in the veil of forgetfulness. This veil descends upon you, concealing the profound knowledge that you are not merely a human being, but a spiritual being having a human experience. Yet deep within the recesses of your being, an unquenchable yearning stirs, a desire to remember, a longing for deeper understanding. It resonates with the quest for higher wisdom, urging you to awaken from the slumber of forgetfulness. In the face of this revelation, a call to action beckons. It's a call to remember who you truly are. Your journey in this earthly realm is not haphazard. It's an intricately designed path, guiding you back to the truth of your soul. As someone who has delved into various topics, including the afterlife, near-death experiences, and the intriguing realm of pre-birth plans or soul contracts, we've explored the intricate weave of life. We've ventured into the depths of knowledge, seeking to unravel the mysteries that surround our human experience. Today we set out on a transformative odyssey, one that challenges us to view life through a different lens. A lens that, if these ancient beliefs hold true, could reshape our perspective on the very essence of our existence.